Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have finally found some sandals to wear that are not only cute, but comfortable to wear with these Skechers Wedge sandals. This particular design is the luggage design, which has so many intricate details. And the footbed is so comfortable. It is very cushiony. So when you put it on your feet, it feels great. It's got that cork design. And then the soles, I feel, have really good traction. So that way, whenever you're walking around in the shoes, you don't have to feel like they're gonna slip around. And it feels so comfortable, like walking on cushions. And I love how these sandals go with so many different outfits. It didn't matter what kind of dress that I put on, it just seemed like it combined with so much. Not only were they pretty to wear, but they were comfortable to wear. So that way I could feel comfortable all day long. So if you're looking for a pair of classy, elegant sandals to wear with so many different outfits, but comfortable, I highly recommend these, and that is just my point of view.